Open your preferred browser and search for download WinRAR. Open this first link, and to download the latest version of WinRAR, just click this WinRAR button, and here we can see the WinRAR is now downloading. Once it's downloaded, it's time to install WinRAR. So open this winrar.exe file from here, or you can open it from your File Explorer download folder. So click on yes, and here click on install and click on OK. And here we can see WinRAR has been successfully installed, clicking on done. And now we are ready to make a zip file. So go to your File Explorer. In your File Explorer, select one or multiple files or folders you want to make a zip using. So here, I'm going to selecting these two photos, and I'm right clicking any of the selection, and here hover over on WinRAR and click on add to archive, and here we have to select zip, and you can rename the zip file from here, and finally click on OK. And then we can see the zip file has been successfully created. So this is how we can actually make zip file in our PC.